friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Debbie and I work with my husband Mark to refinish, repurpose, and restore. And our biggest project has been a house at 268 Park Street in Pentwater, Michigan. This house is 128 years old and we have been working on it for 11 years and we're coming down to the finish line. So what we are going to share with you today is how Mark installed the kitchen knobs for the cupboards. He had to install quite a few, and he did create 2 jigs, and he's going to share with you that process that helped him install those knobs. And it took a little more than an hour to get all of them done. So with that, let's get on to the video.
So I made a jig to do the corner cabinets by building just a little angled deal and measuring the proper position that I wanted it on the door, so that I can stick this in this way and I just drill a hole and that will put it in the right spot. Then on this one I can turn it 90 degrees to do a right hand door. And then once it's done, then I put a little countersink on the back side of the unit to handle the countersunk screw, so that when that sticks out it doesn't stick into the cabinet. And we just put the knob on. And then we tighten it up with a little screwdriver, and there we are. So I built another jig for the drawers because they're going to be centered to the face of the drawer and to the middle of the specific drawer size. So I basically will measure the distance here, get a halfway point. Once I have the halfway point, I use this jig that I've got the line on, and I just set it over the top of the drawer, just hang over the top of the drawer, line it up. I've already got my hole drilled. I drilled it on a drill press so that it is square perpendicular, and that helps now line up my drill so that my drill, the hole will be drilled in straight. Evidently we need to go deeper. Once we have that done, I'm going to take my countersink bit, so it makes a countersink on it, and I put that in here and drill a countersink for my screw. Put the screw in. It looks like I need to countersink it a little bit more because the screw isn't long enough otherwise. And put on the knob. I'm just taking it up on my screwdriver, and there's the knob. So I just drilled the holes you saw a minute ago, but this same jig, by just using different settings, so we use this setting for this drawer, centering this drawer. Now I can use the same jig by measuring a different set, and for the trash can unit I can still line this up, but now I'm going to use a different height jig to verify that and that now puts one in the center of that one. Then I can come over here to this drawer, which is a deeper drawer than the ones that these top ones are, put another hole in it at the right dimension there and center that one. And then all we have to do is drill that one, and we've got the center hole for this one as well. So one jig can be used for multiple deals. You just need to mark them for what application you have, and you can use it on multiple sets of drawers.
So here are the cabinets that Mark used that small little corner jig on. And we'll move up to the upper cabinets. And we'll go across to the coffee bar. And next we're going to show you how Mark did the center jig. Okay, now all of the knobs that need to be centered have been put on. And Mark thinks he's done, but he's not.
I don't do cleanup.
I'm hoping he has 2 more knobs because I need knobs put on my little washstand that is in the dining area. It only took Mark about an hour, a little over an hour, to get all of those knobs installed using his 2 jigs. So hopefully he gave you some information that you might be able to use if you too have to install multiple knobs in a kitchen, bathroom, etc. I hope you liked our content, and if you do, if you could please give us a thumbs up, or if you could subscribe or comment, that will actually help our channel grow. And we have many plans for 268 Park Street, and we will be sharing those with you in future videos. Just as a little bit of a teaser, in our next video, we will be giving a walkthrough of the 2nd floor and all of the work that we have completed in 2022. We've been quite busy. With that being said, we'll see you in our next video. Bye. One of my favorite things to do is take a walk in the fall with my friend Google. I love actually listening to him shuffle through the leaves.